Hey, announcer guy here for Shawn and Kevin, world travelers who occasionally go to places you haven't been. In this episode, the boys are in Turks and Caicos. So settle in and welcome to Travel by Numbers.
Now, we always stay at Villa Del Mar. It's a small boutique hotel. The service is great. The rooms are well furnished. It's like being at home.
And breakfast is included at Villa Del Mar. It's worth about $10, I think, is what they charge ordinarily for it, but if you get your accommodation there, it's included. They also have various kinds of condos there, because when you're going to Turks and Caicos, unless you're staying at an all-inclusive, you are renting somebody's condo. So at Villa Del Mar, they have a studio where basically everything is just one long room, with a separate bathroom. But they also have a 2-bedroom and a 3-bedroom. So the difference between the studio and the 2-bedroom is the studio just has sort of minimum amenities related to the kitchen. So there's a microwave, there's a small sort of bar type fridge, but there's no hot plate and no oven. Whereas if you get the 2-bedroom suite, then you have 2 separate bedrooms and of course a bathroom, a separate living room, but you have a full kitchen with a stove, oven, full-size fridge, microwave. Everything's included in terms of plates and cutlery and that type of thing.
Now, we're not being sponsored by Villa Del Mar, but we are saying that this is a great, affordable alternative for anybody that just wants to experience the island the first time. Villa Del Mar is on a service road, so it's not right on the beach. However, the walkway to the beach, you can access that through a public walkway, which is right on the property of Grace Bay Club, which is an ultra high-end resort. So we have permission to walk through. Anybody can walk through on their property to go to the beach. I think I counted 45 seconds right to the beach. They have the world's longest infinity bar there, which is something to see, and you'll see a lot on Instagram about the infinity bar.
It's a 90-foot long bar.
Yeah, it's kind of cool.
Beautiful. So, Shawn was saying they have walkways between resorts to get to the beach, and that's because the beaches are public in Turks and Caicos, and the resorts have to provide access for the public to get to the beach. Villa Del Mar also operates a section of the beach, so if you do stay at Villa Del Mar, which, as Shawn said, was on a service road, not directly on the beach, you don't have to worry about what are you going to do when you get to the beach, because they operate a section with chaise lounges, umbrellas, they have cold water there, they've got towels, and they'll actually bring you drinks as well for a fee. But it's got everything that you need without the expenditure of staying in a resort that is directly on the beach. You really don't need to.
And now, our spotlight feature.
So we're here at Turks Head Brewery here in Providenciales. So the only island brewery here. They make 3 types of beer: IPA, lager, and ale. And we're going to have a tour of the facilities today.
So, my name is Ashley, guys. I'll be a tour guide today. So, I'm just giving you a quick intro on how we started here at Turks Head Brewery. I'm a local Turks and Caicos Islander. So, we first started brewing beer in 2001. Before that, we were the water store, TC Crystal at the front. So, you go to restaurants, hotels, everything, you're going to see their logo labeled on the bottle of water. We do that. We produce the labeling and we provide the water. So restaurants, hotels, even the airlines, the Margaritaville, we all produce the water. We're the sole water provider who are the Turks and Caicos. So you can see we were a bit busy there. So one day our founder Sir thought to himself, how can I make a huge impact on the Turks and Caicos? What can I give back to the local people? Well, the first thing you guys do when you come to a place is you want to try the local beer. You want to know what locals drink. So that's what he did. He did the research and bought secondhand equipment costing hundreds of thousands of dollars. Sad thing is, he didn't know how to use it. I mean, that's like buying a Ferrari and not knowing how to drive, right? Yeah. So, what he did was, he called that 1-800 number at the back of that machinery. Just like the customer service, you know what I mean? If you don't know how to use something, if you have a complaint about something, you call the customer service number. So he called and called and called until he got the attention of the head guy in charge. And that's when he started negotiating. He said, send some guys down, I don't care how much it costs, name a price, and teach my guys how to brew. Just send your guys down. I have a huge house on the beach in Paradise. You can stay there for free and bring who you want. Just come down, teach my guys how to brew, and name a price. It was like, shit, you should have said that the first time. So follow me as we go on our tour. Beer seasoning. Just how you use a different type of seasoning, different style of seasoning for different meats. This is how hot plays in to make it beer. This holds 1,000 cases of beer. 1,000 cases. 25,000 bottles.
Gotta say, it's pretty good.
Okay, so I have to highly recommend the Caicos cream. It's pretty fantastic. Just imagine this kind of like your Bailey's Irish cream. Throw it over some ice, drink it on a cool day. Fantastic. Highly recommend. Come join. Oh yes, and Ashley said it's better than Bailey's, so she highly recommends it. I highly recommend it.
Cheers! Great over ice cream.
Shots! Woohoo!
So I just tried the wrong cider on the track. This is the cider beer here at Turks Head Brewery. Basically, the bad boy from the worst neighborhood drives the girls wild. This cider is incredibly refreshing with a dry, crisp finish at 6% alcohol. Honestly, one of the best cider drinks I've had in a very, very long time. It's very smooth, refreshing. Again, another great summer day drink on the back porch, watching the ocean waves. Just come on in, enjoy.
So I have to say I haven't had cider for 35 years. I kind of have bad memories about it actually because back when I was early 20s, cider was really popular in the bars. First time it was popular in the bars, in fact. But back then I used to be a smoker, and the combination of cigarette smoke and cider was just the worst tasting thing ever. So I've tried this first time, as I say, in 35 years, and I'm quite impressed. I will definitely have cider again.
If you enjoyed today's episode, please click the like button. And by subscribing and turning notifications on, you'll help us create new content. Thanks for watching. And remember, experiences, not things.